Right then, passport check, sense of adventure, double check. We're Rena and Paul, and we're absolutely mad about exploring this incredible world of ours. From bustling city streets to hidden countryside gems, we're here to show you the real travel experience, warts and all. Whether you're after budget-friendly tips, cultural deep dives, or just fancy a good laugh at our travel blunders, you've come to the right place. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and join us on our latest adventure. This is Two Brits Travel, where every journey tells a story. Imagine a place where the desert air whispers ancient tales, where every scent tells a story, and every colour paints a masterpiece. This is Marrakesh, a city that doesn't just exist. It breathes, it pulses, it awakens every one of your senses. Prepare to be captivated by a symphony of vibrant hues, from the rich spices in the bustling markets to the intricate tilework adorning hidden palaces. Welcome to Marrakesh, affectionately known as the Red City, a jewel nestled at the foot of the majestic Atlas Mountains. Here, ancient traditions gracefully intertwine with the thrill of modern adventure, creating an unparalleled travel experience. With increasing accessibility and simplified visa processes, this enchanting destination is now more welcoming than ever before. Lose yourself in its labyrinthine souks, marvel at the iconic Kutubia Mosque, and gaze upon the distant snow-capped peaks that guard its secrets. Marrakesh stands as a testament to centuries of history, a vibrant crossroads where diverse cultures have converged and flourished. Its very foundation is built upon a rich tapestry of trade, artistry, and enduring heritage. As you wander its ancient streets, you can almost hear the echoes of merchants, scholars, and artisans who shaped its destiny. This city is not merely a collection of buildings, it is a living, breathing museum of Moroccan life. No visit to Marrakech is complete without immersing yourself in its legendary attractions. The Gemma Elfner Square is a sensory explosion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where storytellers weave their magic, snake charmers mesmerize, and the aroma of countless food stalls fills the evening air. Seek tranquility in the serene and strikingly vibrant Jardin Majorel, a botanical masterpiece. Marvel at architectural wonders like the historic Ben Youssef Madrasa, showcasing exquisite Islamic art. For a touch of desert romance, embark on a camel ride through the tranquil Palmeraie. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie Marrakesh's most authentic treasures, waiting to be uncovered. Venture deeper into the Medina to discover hidden riad courtyards, sanctuaries of peace and beauty. Experience the rejuvenating ritual of a local hammam, a true immersion into Moroccan wellness. Explore quiet corners of the Souks, where artisans craft their wares away from the main thoroughfare. Consider a cooking class to unlock the secrets of Moroccan cuisine, connecting with the local culture on a deeper level. Prepare your palate for an unforgettable culinary adventure through the heart of Marrakesh. The city's kitchens are a symphony of flavors, from the fragrant, slow-cooked tagines bursting with spices to the delicate, honey-drenched sweet pastries. The simple act of sipping traditional mint tea becomes a cherished ritual, a symbol of Moroccan hospitality. Savor the complex layers of spices in every dish and indulge in the vibrant street food scene, a true taste of local life. Marrakesh offers a diverse array of accommodation options catering to every preference and budget. For an utterly immersive, old-world experience, choose to stay within the ancient walls of the Medina. If a more modern, urban vibe calls to you, the Güeliz district offers contemporary hotels and amenities. For the most authentic and enchanting stay, we highly recommend a traditional riad, a guest house built around a central courtyard, offering unparalleled charm and tranquility. Marrakesh is a city that truly can be enjoyed on any budget, offering experiences from luxurious indulgence to savvy savings. Smart travelers can find incredible value by embracing local customs. Hone your bargaining skills in the souks, where friendly negotiation is part of the cultural exchange. Eat like a local by frequenting street food vendors and small family-run eateries for delicious and affordable meals. Navigating Marrakesh is an adventure in itself, with a variety of transport options to suit your pace. The best way to experience the Medina's intricate alleys is on foot, allowing you to discover every hidden detail. Taxis are readily available for longer distances, and for a truly unique experience, consider a horse-drawn carriage, known as a calèche, for a leisurely tour. Embrace the journey. Getting around is part of the city's charm. Choosing the right time to visit Marrakesh can significantly enhance your experience. The optimal seasons are spring and autumn, when the weather is pleasantly warm and ideal for exploring. While summer brings intense heat, it also offers a unique charm, with fewer crowds and a slower pace. Winter provides cooler temperatures, perfect for those who prefer a milder climate. Marrakech is generally a safe and welcoming city, but like any bustling destination, a few precautions can ensure a smooth trip. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like the Gemma Elfna. Dress respectfully, particularly when visiting religious sites, to honor local customs. When taking taxis, always agree on the price before starting your journey to avoid misunderstandings. Marrakesh is a photographer's dream, a city bursting with vibrant colors, intricate details, and captivating scenes at every turn. From the bustling energy of the Souks to the serene beauty of a Riyadh courtyard, every moment offers a potential masterpiece. Capture the magic of its architecture, the warmth of its people, and the unique atmosphere that defines it. Share your perfect shots and inspire others to discover this incredible destination. As you explore the wonders of Marrakesh, consider the impact of your journey. Embrace sustainable travel practices by supporting local businesses and artisans, ensuring your tourism directly benefits the community. Be mindful of your environmental footprint by reducing waste and respecting the natural beauty of the region. By traveling responsibly, you help preserve Marrakech's unique charm for generations to come. Marrakech is more than just a destination. It is an experience that lingers long after you've departed. It is a city where every sense comes alive, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels, and where every corner holds a new discovery. Its vibrant spirit, rich history, and captivating beauty will forever be etched in your memory. Explore Marrakech. Discover the magic. Well then, that's another adventure in the books. We hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on this journey. Before you dash off to plan your own trip, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. It honestly makes such a difference to us. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest adventures. We're always off somewhere exciting, it's completely free and it really helps us out. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world's a lot smaller than you think. Cheerio from Two Brits Travel.